Hi guys, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and also give it a like on the video. It will help a lot. So first of all, let's click on the Wise link or the old Transferwise. It will redirect you to their web page so you can start with the registration. So now we are on the website of Wise and you can also change the language if you want to. So let's change for English, for example, and we go in register. So we click on register. After that, you can see that now you need to fulfill these blanks with your personal email and also create a password and to put your country of residence. You can also use Apple, Google, or Facebook account to sign up. So for business goes the same thing. So let's go to do a personal account. Let's fulfill these blanks and click on sign up. After you click on sign up, on the left corner you can see get started. So let's click on get started and it will open this web page. So we click on let's go. We click on let's go and there is personal account or business account. So we will do personal account now. In the personal account, you need to fulfill the blanks with your personal information, like your name, date of birth, your phone, and also the country of your residence. So let's fulfill these blanks. There is personal details, and after we click on save. After you click on save, it will open this page to protect your account with two-step login. So here will be the number of your mobile, and you can confirm it or change it as you want. So after that, you click on send verification code and you will receive in your mobile one verification code that you need to write it in a new form that will open on the website. After that you confirm your mobile, you can decide to open a balance. You can open, for example, in euro or Canadian dollar, you decide. But for this time, we are going to do in euro. So let's confirm it and go to the next step. After you click on that, you can see in the left corner that the balance of euro is there. But now we need to get the account details. So let's click on that, get account details. The next step is to confirm your identity with a picture of your identity documents and also a selfie of yourself. You are going to use the QR code to it, but if you don't know what's QR code, you can click on QR code is not working and it will open this link that you can write it, copy it, and use it to confirm your identity. So let's confirm the identity, and after that we are going to the next step. So after confirming our identity, it will open this page that say you are all done for now and you only need to wait the confirmation email of them, and yeah, your account is created and it's everything fine now. So I hope that I have helped, and yeah, see you the next time. Thank you and bye bye.